Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a page on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to create a page on your Facebook, what you can do is just open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the three bar icon, now you can tap on see more, and then you can find this pages option. You just have to tap on pages, and after tapping on pages, in order to create an account, what you can do and after tapping on pages, in order to create a page for your account, what you can do is just tap on create, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on create, just tap on get started, and you will start creating your page in your Facebook. And now what you can do is just enter a name for your page. After entering a name, now you can tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to select a category for your page. So what is your page based on? So you can select any of these three options, or you can enter your option manually. Like, you can enter these three options. You can't enter more than three. You just have to enter the three options that your page is based on. And after entering those, now you can tap on create. After tapping on create, now you have to select one of these options which says promote your product or services, or to tap on the second option which says create content and connect with fans. So you can select any one of these options and then tap on next. So you have to select one of these options and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom. And now you can customize your page. So you can upload a profile picture if you like. So to upload a profile picture, you just have to tap on this camera icon, and after tapping on that camera icon, now you can select a image for your and after tapping on that camera icon, now you can select an image for your page, or you can select an image from your gallery, or you can take an image by tapping on this camera icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So after uploading an image for your profile, now tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can invite your friends. So just tap on invite friends, and then select a friend that you would like to invite, and then tap on send invitation, and you have successfully sent invitation for your friend. Now what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can turn on this option which is page notify. So after tapping on next, now you have to turn on this option, and after turning on this option, what it does is it will find out about meta products and services that may help making your page successful or your business page successful. So after doing that, you can tap on next. And after tapping on next, here you can see I have successfully created a page. After creating a page, now what you can do is tap on this three bar icon and then tap on your page that you have created, and you can customize your page further if you like. So that's it guys, this is how to create a page on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.